really like the floor plan a lot.
Yeah, the layout is what sold us, really. We liked having our living space and all of the storage that's in it, and then having a lot of storage in the bathroom as well. We like the separation of the kitchen area and dinette from the living room area. And then our bedroom has the big closet up front because we have the bed sliding out.
Yeah, we feel like we're on a condo. When we're camping, we're at a, like here, we're looking out at the woods, but we have all the luxuries of home, kitchen island, obviously, recliners, a couch, little table to sit at, so
yeah, we really do love it. And the pantry has a lot of storage in it too. We bought it in August of last year, but then we decided, because we'd never had a unit that would go into the cold weather, we took it into the mountains of West Virginia in October. And while we were at the campground, it got so cold that the campground staff came and knocked on our door one morning and said they were turning off the water because it was going to get so cold. And we didn't worry. Yeah, we didn't worry because we knew that this was insulated enough so that we would be able to get through it just fine without having to worry about frozen lines bursting or anything like that.
We just filled up our freshwater tank. We actually extended our stay because they reduced the rate, so we're like, hey, let's stay another day.
We cranked up the fireplace, put our feet up, and we were just cozy as we could be.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't know until we came here so much about the Grand Design family, but it's really been super. Everyone's been so friendly, and we made instant friendships here at this rally. Whether it's an Imagine, a Solitude, a Reflection, it doesn't matter. Everybody just is, so happy to be together, and we're all so happy with our rigs that it seems like, we have that common bond, but then we find other commonalities as well.